In this video, I'm going to be sharing the importance of your LinkedIn feature section and how you can set it up. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Monira Navira Badru, your go-to-tech savvy virtual assistant providing administrative and social media support to business owners and content creators globally in different time zones. Some LinkedIn users ignore the feature section on their profile, or some do not know how to optimize it to their own advantage. In this video, we are going to go deep on why you should not ignore your LinkedIn feature section and how you can optimize your LinkedIn feature section. So let's dive into the video. Your LinkedIn feature sections is a great opportunity to create first impressions. Remember, first impression matters and always count in the long run. Your LinkedIn feature section acts like the red flag or the green flag for your ideal clients, so you must optimize it to the maximum. The feature sections is right below your introduction, right under your profile picture and your headline. As a LinkedIn user, ignoring this section and leaving it blank is a huge mistake for your online portfolio. So what should you add to your LinkedIn feature section? You can add a variety of things to your LinkedIn feature section, including 1. You can upload images, videos, and slideshows that highlight your work. 2. Certifications and courses. Display certifications and courses you have completed. 3. Highlight your notable projects and achievements. 4. You can add external links such as a link to your portfolio, your website, your blog, or articles. 5. You can also feature glowing recommendations from your clients and your colleagues. These recommendations include testimonials from your clients and colleagues. In this segment, I'm going to show you how to add content and edit your LinkedIn feature section. So you're going to go in your profile and you're going to go in your featured section. I'm on my LinkedIn featured section. You can edit, you can add. So I'm going to add. You click on the add button. You can add post, add a newsletter, add an article, add a link, or add media. So for this one, I'm going to add a post, but you can add media, add a link, add an article, add a newsletter. So I'm going to click on add a post. So I'm going to scroll through my posts and I'm going to look for what to add on this LinkedIn feature section. So I'm going to feature this one. Your item has been featured on your profile. So when you go back on your profile, this post has been added. So in case I want to edit or I want to remove or I want to order, I'm going to click on this. To click on this pencil icon, click on this to reorder. I'm going to shift this content and it's the first thing that people see when they come on my LinkedIn feature section. After shifting this to the top, you can close. So what if I want to remove a post or content from my LinkedIn feature section? I'm going to click this remove from feature section and it's going to be removed. So your item is no longer featured on your profile. I added important items that I want my clients to see when they come on my LinkedIn profile. The first thing people will see when they come on my LinkedIn featured section is a link to my YouTube channel, then a link to my portfolio. Do not add a lot of content on your LinkedIn featured section. If your LinkedIn featured section has a lot of content, it will be overwhelming for your ideal clients. So if someone visits my profile and they scroll down, this is what they will see on my LinkedIn featured section. A link to my YouTube, to my portfolio, and to posts. That's all. It's not too much. Tips for adding your content to your featured section. 1. Choose your content carefully. Only add things that are relevant to your field and you're also proud of. 2. Make sure your content is high quality. Proofread your articles and presentations and choose visually appealing images and videos. 3. Keep your featured section updated. Add new content, add new portfolios on a regular basis to show that you are active and engaged. 4. Do not stick to one type of content. Use a variety of different content types and to make your featured section more interesting and engaging. 5. Tailor your featured section to your audience. Think about what kind of content your target audience would be interested in viewing. You might be asking yourself, why should I really invest in the LinkedIn feature section? So here's why. Number one, the LinkedIn feature section adds substance to your profile. Adding your portfolio, adding your website shows that you are not just talking about what you do, but you are really showing your really work, thus boosting your credibility. 2. Visual content tends to get more attention and engagement, hence increasing your visibility on LinkedIn. Finally, what is the best way to showcase your expertise, skills, and achievement on your LinkedIn than adding your portfolio on your LinkedIn features section? These are some of the ideal content you can include on your LinkedIn features section. Number one, if you are a software engineer, you could feature a link to your blog post about a new programming language you are learning or a recent project you have worked on. If you provide email marketing services, you could feature a link to a successful email marketing campaign or email graphics. 3. If you are a brand strategist, you could feature a link to a testimonial from satisfied clients. So that's all I had for you today. If you need more help to optimize your LinkedIn profile, just book a 15-minute discovery call with me, link in the description box below. And if you like this video, do not forget to hit a thumbs up. And if you're new here, kindly subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.